Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Banker's World. Today I have brought for you the September 1st week 2020 most important current affairs one-liner. So let us begin today's session. Name the mobile app launched by CISF for pensioners. What is the name of the mobile application? Well, the correct answer is Pensioners Corner. Well, it will send an SMS invitation to pensioners on important occasions of CISF unit. Let us move to the second question. India's first trade center will be set up at which state? Well, it will be set up at Kerala. This initiative aims to accelerate women entrepreneurship and secure gender parity. It will be set up at Angamali. Coming to the third question, UPEIDA, UP Expressway Industrial Development Authority has inked a deal with which bank-led consortium for Bundelkhand Expressway? Well, it has inked a deal with Bank of Baroda. Moving to the next question, who has been appointed by SBI Mutual Fund as MD and CEO? Well, Vinay M. Tonse has been appointed. Coming to question number 5, Commerce and Industry Minister has addressed the Asian India Business Council Virtual Summit. Who is the present Commerce and Industry Minister of India? Well, Mr. Piyush Goyal is the Commerce and Industry Minister of India. Coming to the sixth question, which state will celebrate its first ever Dragonfly Festival? Well, it will be celebrated at Kerala. It will be Christian Thumbi Mahotsavam 2020. Coming to the seventh question, who has launched the integration of ICAR IIHR Seed portal with the Yono Krishi web application of SBI? Well, Mr. Narendra Singh Tomar has launched it. Moving to the next question, which junior women's hockey player has been awarded Ekalavya Award by the Madhya Pradesh government? Well, her name is Isika Chaudhary. Coming to the ninth question, recently Apollo Clinic has joined hands with which bank? Well, it has joined hands with HDFC Life. They have collaborated to offer customers a healthy and secure future amid COVID pandemic. Coming to the 10th question, the prize money for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award has been increased to how much amount? Well, it has been increased to 25 lakh. Earlier it was 7.5 lakh and now it has been increased to 25 lakh. Moving to the 11th question, the prize money of Arjuna Award has been increased to how much amount? Well, it has been increased to 15 lakhs. Earlier it was 5 lakhs and now it has been increased to 15 lakhs. The 12th question is 51st International Film Festival of India will be held at which place? Well, it will be held at Goa. It will commence from 20th to 28th November 2020. Moving to the next question, Ravi Shankar Prasad has launched which contest for Next Generation Startup Challenge? Well, the name of the contest is Chunoti. It will boost startup and software products. The 14th question is Innovati has partnered with which card holder company for face-to-face point-of-sale transactions? It has partnered with Visa. Coming to the 15th question, which state government has launched a fitness channel on YouTube? Well, Delhi state government has launched it on YouTube. The Delhi state government has launched Healthy Body, Healthy Mind campaign for students confined to their homes during this COVID-19 pandemic. Coming to the 16th question of today, at which place World Urdu Conference was held recently? Well, it was held recently at New Delhi. Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank virtually addressed the session. Coming to the 17th question, when is National Sports Day celebrated? Well, it is celebrated in 29th August. It is celebrated to honor the hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. Moving to the next question, which state has launched its first marine ambulance? Well, it has been launched by Kerala state government. The special boat is intended for rescue operations and care of fishermen in distress at sea. Coming to the 19th question, which PSU has won Swachhata Hi Seva award? Well, it's PSU NLC India Limited, NLCIL has won it. This award was given for transforming Nevelli Township into a plastic-free, clean and green campus. Coming to the 20th question, the CM of which state has inaugurated work on the Vedadri lift irrigation scheme at Vedadri village? Well, Andhra Pradesh state has launched it. Coming to the 21st question, in August 2020, India has signed an agreement with which country on humanitarian assistance and disaster relief? Well, it's Singapore. Coming to question number 22, name the medical trolley developed by Indian Railways. Well, its name is Medbot. This will help to deliver food and medicines. Moving to the next question, who won the Belgian Grand Prix 2020? Well, it is won by Lewis Hamilton. This was his 5th win of the season. Coming to question number 24, which state will commence seaplane service this year? Well, Gujarat will start it. The seaplane service will offer seamless and affordable air connectivity from Sabarmati in Ahmedabad to Statue of Unity in Kewadia in Gujarat. SpiceJet airline will operate the seaplane service. Coming to question number 25, PM Narendra Modi announced that September month will be celebrated as what month? Well, it will be celebrated as Nutrition Month. Moving to question number 26, PM Narendra Modi birthday will be celebrated as which Saptah? Well, it will be celebrated as Seva Saptah. BJP has decided to celebrate PM Modi's birthday on September 17 by observing Seva Saptah from 14th September to 20th September 2020. Coming to question number 27, who has been selected as official partner for IPL 2020? Well, Unacademy has been selected as official partner for this year IPL 2020. Coming to question number 28, who has been appointed as secretary in Lok Sabha? Well, the answer is Utkal Kumar Singh. Coming to question number 29, what is the name of the chatbot recently launched by ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company? Well, the name of the chatbot is Ligo. Ligo is an artificial intelligence powered voice chatbot on Google Assistant. Coming to question number 30, who became the new chairman of Press Trust of India? Well, the answer is Avik Sarkar. He succeeds Vijay Kumar Chopra. Coming to question number 31, Indian economy contracted by how much percent in quarter 1 of 2020-21 financial year? Well, the answer is 23.9%. This data has been released by National Statistical Office NSO. Coming to question number 32, world's largest solar tree has been installed in which state? Well, it has been installed in West Bengal state. It has been developed by the CSIR CMERI and installed at Durgapur, West Bengal. Coming to question number 33, Japan will provide an official development assistance loan of how many crores for COVID-19 crisis to India? Well, Japan will provide 3,500 crores. Coming to question number 34, which airport has won National Energy Leader Award this year? Well, it has been won by Hyderabad International Airport. Coming to question number 35, which company has tied up with SBI for long-term syndicated loan of rupees 10,000 crore? Well, Vedanta has tied up with SBI. A syndicate loan is offered by a group of lenders who work together to provide credit to a large borrower. Coming to question number 36, who is appointed as Myntra's new brand ambassador? Well, the answer is Kiara Advani has been appointed as Myntra's new brand ambassador. Coming to question number 37, Gandagi Bharat Chodo campaign has been launched by which state government? Well, this campaign has been launched by Madhya Pradesh state government. Coming to question number 38, Vistara has entered into a partnership with which airlines to earn and spend points on each other? It has entered into a partnership with Japan Airlines. A frequent flyer program is a loyalty program wherein a passenger earns points for traveling on an airline's flights. Coming to question number 39, who has been awarded Lifetime Achievement Award in the World Digital Awards? Well, Ratan Tata and Anand Mahindra has been awarded Lifetime Achievement Award. Coming to question number 40, what is the rank of India in Global Innovation Index 2020? Well, India ranks 48th in the Global Innovation Index 2020. So this was for today. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you everyone.